Hi, Donna Pronto with Don Johnston here. Wanted to take a moment of your time to share with you the new PDF annotation tools available in our updated Snap&Read PDF reader that was just released. I'm going to navigate to the new PDF reader dashboard, and it is available at app.snapandread.com. And first thing you'll notice is we can now have multiple PDFs open at the same time. This will definitely make your students more efficient and be a time saver. Wanted to draw your attention to the open button. We have two new options here, open from QR code and open classroom assignment. So my student has an assignment and needs to find the course and then find which assignment and open, and it will open directly in the PDF reader. And you'll also notice in the dark blue banner, it confirms the class and the assignment, and it has this awesome turn-in button, and that will streamline things for your students as well. Just with the click of the one button, they'll be able to turn in their assignment. No more downloading and uploading. So when, also wanted to show you, we can have multiple PDFs open, and they're open in separate tabs here. So that'll be nice. When we're ready to annotate, click on the blue pencil, and the annotation tools are ready in the light blue banner here. And as always, when you click on one of the tools, some more options come up so you can customize them. There we go. And here is our regular highlighter. And of course, you can change color and opacity. Here's a new tool. These are free drawing tools. And there's a highlighter here too, but this is a free drawing, okay? And paintbrush. Okay, and we could change the color. Where's the caterpillar? There we go. And for teachers, we have two new tools, Stamp, which when they're grading the papers that are turned in, they can add in great job or nice work. And then you can resize it, you can position it. You can also create your own custom stamp with your own message. Also, the teacher can store their signature, and that'll come very handy in all those remote IEP meetings. They can quickly sign the e-documents. And we have line tools, of course. If you need to answer something with a circle. And we also have a new note feature. Okay. And when you hover over it, you'll see what the note says. Hope you enjoy these new tools. If you have any questions, reach out to your implementation specialist. Thanks for your time.